Hello everyone, it's Victor here once again and welcome to Victor's Tiny Kitchen. And for today guys, I am excited because I'm going to share with you how to cook sweet and sour fish. And you know, Holy Week is going to be starting tomorrow, Wednesday. You know, I grew up in a Roman Catholic family and during Holy Week, we don't partake any meat. And so the tradition lives on. So right now we're going to be cooking fish. And so let me show you the ingredients. So I have 500 grams here of filleted rockfish. I have 2 eggs. I have chopped ginger. I have sliced carrots. I have sliced green and red bell peppers. I have chopped green onions. I have finely chopped red onion. I have tomato, just half of tomato. And then I have sugar here. I have celery. I have balsamic vinegar. I have corn flour and I have white flour. We're going to combine them both together later on. I have finely chopped ginger. Of course I have salt. I have olive oil. And then for the sour part, we're going to be mixing our balsamic vinegar and the juice of lemon here. So we're going to start guys by making our batter. So I have a bowl here which I'm going to use to prepare our butter. And then in front of me here is my saucepan which I'm going to use to fry up our battered fish later on. There's already oil in it. I'm going to start my cooktop here and then we're going to batter our fish. So first step guys is to put in our white flour on the mixing bowl and then I'm going to mix it with corn flour. And then I'm going to leave about 2 tablespoons of flour to thicken our sauce later on. And then we're going to add our eggs. So what I have done guys is I have added my white flour and corn flour into the mixing bowl here together with 2 eggs. And I'm going to use this beater here to mix them all together. We're going to do this until we get that consistency that we're looking for. This is a good workout for sure. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of salt here. And then a little bit of freshly ground pepper. It's optional guys, but I want my batter to have taste in it. So this is done. So our oil is already hot here and ready to fry. So what we're going to do is we're going to dip our fish into our batter. And then we're going to submerge it into our pan here with oil. What we're trying to achieve here guys is to have that golden color in our fish. And as usual, we're going to do it in batches. First batch is done, so we're going to take about the saucepan here. And I have a plate here that's lined with paper towel. Just going to make sure that our fish here is not going to be so greasy. So in goes the next batch. Second batch is done. You don't want to cook through your fish guys because we're still going to saute them later on. So this is our last batch here. The third batch is done here. Such a simple way of cooking a delicious sweet and sour fish. And like I said, it's perfect for Holy Week. So we are done browning our battered fish. And so right now I have switched over to my wok here. And this is where we're going to be assembling all these ingredients together in order for us to make that sweet and sour fish. So let's get right at it guys. So first step is we're going to use the same oil that we use to brown our fish. And into that I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Let's combine them together. So I have here in my pan both the ginger and the red onion. And at this point I'm going to add my garlic. Then I'm going to add my tomato. And then I'm going to use most of my green onions here. I'm going to leave something to garnish our finished product later. And then in go our red and green bell peppers. Our carrots. And then our celery. And then at this point we're going to add a little bit of water into our corn flour here. We're going to give it a stir. That is good. So now our battered fish will go right in. So at this point I'm going to add my lemon juice, the balsamic vinegar, our water and flour mixture, and then our sugar. Oh, how nice looking it is already, guys. We're gonna taste it for salt. Yummy! But I need, I think, a pinch of salt here. And that would be perfect. And as a final step, we're just gonna sprinkle our chopped green onions here. And that is perfect. That is done, guys. I'm gonna be right back to show you the final product. Hi guys, we're back here, and finally our sweet and sour fish is right in front of me. And it's really inviting. It makes me want to jump into it and devour everything. You know, this guys reminds me of my uni days back in the Philippines, in Davao City. Outside of my campus, there's a lineup of different small carinderias or small cafeteria or cafes, and they serve student price meals, and this is one of those that I always feasted on. So it's a treat, guys. It's so delicious. And right now we're gonna taste it. I'm gonna taste it for you. I'm gonna get that sauce. More fish, because I love fish. And I forgot my fork. So here goes. Get that fish and rice. Yummy. So yummy. The fish is so succulent. The sweetness of the vegetables, that taste of ginger, that taste of red bell peppers, and the garlic, and the sourness of the vinegar and the lemon juice. They're all infused together in the sauce, and even the fish was able to absorb all those really good ingredients and flavorings and aromatics. It's awesome. So try it, guys, especially this Holy Week. It's coming up. It's right in the corner. What a way to celebrate Holy Week, right? With a seafood dish like this. It's awesome. So guys, if you like what I did today, if you enjoyed watching my video, please don't forget to click like, share, and the subscribe buttons if you haven't yet. And thank you for watching my video today. I hope that you're going to be spending your Holy Week with loving and sharing and caring with all your family, your loved ones, friends. And I hope that it's going to be a meaningful, reflective Holy Week for every one of us. Thank you, guys. Bye now.